Hello and welcome to Riomar Travel Organizers YouTube channel. I'm Ali Pikolski and I'm the owner and designer. In this channel, I share with you some traveling tips and how to organize your bags and anything that has to do with traveling. But before I continue, if you like what you see, make sure you hit the like button. It's like giving me a tip that you don't have to pay. And subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. That way you can be notified when I put the next video. Okay, now let me show you what I want to share with you today. Actually, in the process of packing. Yes, I will be going on a short trip very soon. And as I was packing, I remembered that I used to have this spreadsheet that I create, not a spreadsheet, a checklist that I created. So this handy checklist I created a while back, and if you want it, just send me a DM and I'll send you the link to get it. It's, I use it, and so I decided, well, why not share it with everybody else? In fact, I used to have it on my website about a year ago, and then I took it down. But this checklist is called the Savvy Traveler Checklist, and I include all the things that I think you will need in so little boxes so that you check what you are going to take there, and you take this checklist with you on your trip, and on your way back you can go and look at the things so you don't forget anything, you don't leave anything behind, and you make sure you bring all the things with you. So what you do is that it's divided in different sections, like the toiletry section, clothing essentials. Of course, you know what you're gonna bring based on where you're going, but at least you know that, hey, don't forget your socks, or don't forget your pajamas or jewelry. It just has jewelry and watch, but at least it kind of jogs your memory and you're like, oh yeah, that's right, I forgot, where are these earrings or whatever. Then the gadget section is actually the most important section, I think, because we used to leave our phone chargers all the time behind. Like, you just forget to bring your phone chargers or an extra charger or a headphone. You leave it at the hotel or the Airbnb, and what a nightmare that is, right? And another section of this is medications. So if you have certain medications that you need to bring, or just simply over-the-counter medication, or just pain relievers, because you may get a headache when you're traveling. Of course, any other travel documents that you may need. So it's always good. It's just good to have available. And like I said, what I like the most about it is that I can check off here what I need when I'm going there, and I take this with me, and then I check the boxes for coming back. And so just make sure you bring the checklist with you. But if you want it, like I said, I can send you the link via DM, and you can get it absolutely free. Okay, you guys, hope to see you soon. And another section of this is medications. So if you have certain medications that you need to bring, or just simply over-the-counter medication, or just pain relievers, because you may get a headache. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And I'm gonna get back to packing, because I do have a lot of things to get done before the end of the day. Okay, guys, bye.